Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can alphabetize a list in Google Docs. But just to be clear, there is no feature in Google Docs that allows you to sort a list from A to B. It just doesn't exist. However, we can use another service called Google Sheets to basically rearrange our list to be alphabet. So what I need to do now, I'm going to select this list, make sure to select all the items, and then right click on it. Click copy, and then go to Google Sheets. You can start a blank spreadsheet, and then you can paste the list or the content that you just copied before into the very first row, or sorry, the very first cell of the spreadsheet, and then click paste, and there you go. After that, go to data, select this option, and you can either sort the items from A to Z or from Z to A. It's totally up to you. I'm going to select A to Z, and after that you can right click on any of them, click copy again, and then go back to Google Docs. And then here, since all the lists have been selected, I'm going to just paste on top of it. I'm going to right click on it and select paste without formatting. So this is very important. You don't want to bring all the cells with you, so you have to select paste without formatting. And there you go. Now the list has been alphabetized. So that's basically how you can do it in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.